Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add another key fob once you have two of the key fob. When doing this procedure, make sure you have two working remote, or else this procedure won't work when you're adding the third remote. Now if you don't have two working remote, you can watch my other video on how to do that. The next thing you want to do is leave this two key fob in the vehicle so that it recognizes the transmitter, or else you won't be able to do this. So same thing, you want to pry this cover off. Use your emergency key, press the button, pull it out, and then we're going to go underneath where the hole is right here, and we're going to stick it in and pry it out. Alright, if you look on the driver's side door, this is the cover, there's the hole right here. Use your emergency key, stick it underneath and pry it open. Make sure when you do, you open this so that you could remove the cover. Once you remove the cover, this is the cylinder lock key. You're going to get your emergency key, go in here, unlock. And then you're going to unlock 5 times to go into the program mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you look at your driver information center, it said ready for remote 3. So with your new remote, go ahead and put it in the remote slot right there. And then now you could press the start and stop button to program it. Then after that, get your new remote out and test it. And it locks and unlocks. So there you have it. Now make sure to press the start and stop button and wait for 12 seconds to get out of the programming mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then now step on your brake and the start and stop button to turn on the vehicle. Alright, and that's how you program your third remote under 5 minutes. So this is the original, this is the number 2, and this is number 3. Now remove your key and put back the cover. Now the only thing left to do on this key fob is to get this emergency key cut. I've done a video on that already. Now if you want more than 3 key fob, it's the same procedure. You can program up to 8 key fobs the same way. The only time it takes a long time, which is 30 minutes, is if you don't have a key fob or you only have one working key fob, which you can find on my previous video where I showed you how to program the 1 and 2 key fob. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section down below. Until next time, see you later.